Jalen, you might want to log into Future Goals Math today and try to get through the video because we're going to be starting on game one.
Wait, future goes math or future goes science?
We're about done with science, so it's actually math.
Okay.
All right, I think I already saved attendance. Yeah, okay. All right, so you may get majority of the points at the moment because you're the first one here, Jalen. Let's get the norms out of the way. All right, so Jalen, if you can read all the norms there.
Okay. No one has the right to another person in case cheating in the classroom is sacred. We will never behave in a way that discredit ourselves, our school, our family, and South Academy Southwest through acts of integrity. We take part of South Academy Southwest. We respect the opinions of others. We respect the culture of the classroom. We are attentive to participate. We have high petitions ourselves, our peers, and teachers. We are here to focus on preparing ourselves for post-secondary endeavors.
All right, so look, GGI and Townhouse is coming up real soon. It's 11:15 today. Go participate. Try to take advantage of all the resources they're giving you, and it's life skills. A lot of you all need life skills so you can be very successful way after high school. So definitely attend GGI at 11:15. It's also a time where you can find out updates about the school. Like they have coats, I think at one point, kits, or just contests. So check them out when you can. 11:15. If you need the link, you can get it from me or any of your teachers. These Raspberry Pi kits, we still have a lot of them in stock. If you're not, and I think the screen I'm showing right here, or one of the profile screens you'll see behind me, is my Raspberry kit, and I'm logged in. And we will be using that in the near future because we're going to be doing a lot of projects from the Code Next curriculum. There are hands-on activities because I'm assuming we're going to be coming back in the building. Maybe there's actual hands-on activities where we can do group work and get a lot of the busy work that we do with EverFi. EverFi is kind of fun, but physics problems and stuff we're making it a little more easy with the kits, and these kits can be used all the way into college for most of you. So take advantage of it. Let us know if you don't have one, and if your kit is damaged, you gotta bring the parts back because I got to repair it in most cases, and we can get you a replacement kit. All right, Jalen, can you read that one? You're gonna be racking up. I gotta go back and give you credit for one due now, I guess.
All right. Everyone that Thursday learn to code from preventive at home and get extra credit for some of your classes. And pandemics affect code on the job market while learning code. So probably more benefits of code. Interested? Just by clicking at 4 p.m.
Thank you. All right, you about to get all of them, like Rush say. So I think Rush is covering. So go ahead. You got like two more things to read, and then we can get into this. See where it says daily task.
Yes, sir. Daily task. Students will be able to complete the evaluation in SB. Hello, all STEM students. Welcome to class. Inside of SB, you can access all pre-recorded videos of each class. These videos are normally ready to review by 4 p.m. daily.
Awesome, awesome. Okay, so let's keep it moving. We got physics. Make sure I did that right. There you go. All right, so tackle this last one, Jalen, and you gotta do the objective and the words over there.
Okay. Please just the student be able to utilize F5 Future Goals math software to be able to analyze game one uncover the ice of hockey scholar. Inflammatory day is conversion of energy. Water
Conservation.
conservation of energy. Water day is secret.
Almost
Accurate.
secrete. Say it with me.
Secret.
Secrete. There you go. He said secrete. You got it. All right. So Jalen? Did you already start the video for
Yeah.
Okay, because that's a
I
long
just
2 minute
finished
video,
with
dude.
it.
Yeah. Okay. You might want to get that done. So I'm glad you did that because now you can be just about where I am with what was it doing? These sections. So we have, for instance, uncover the ice. It's the same situation. I think it's like what, it's 6 situations. So we have uncover the ice, paint the ice, the pass, the shots, speed, and skate blades. Now, if you want to get a head start on it, try to finish uncover the ice. This is beginner, so it should be really easy for you. And we're gonna go through a little bit of it together. But over your spring break, try to knock out some of these. So when you come back, those are easy points you can have added to your score, especially in this class. And, whatever else you could do in another class. All right, so I think you're where I'm at, right? You started on uncover the ice. I'm about to click on it. Okay, let me change to sound so you can hear them talk, and then we're just going to do a few of the questions together because it's only you. If there's more students, they will do more questions because I want you to have enough time to just work on it. And if you get stuck, ask me questions on how you can get past it. All right, there we go. And then I'm gonna do tab. Okay. And there we go. Awesome. I think it's sharing. Yep. Okay. So as you can see,
sports arenas are used for many different types of events, so the ice on our hockey rink has been covered up to make room for other flooring. Our team's next game is just around the corner, and our hockey rink still looks like a basketball court. The players can't skate on wood, so what can we do? Help our crew remove the covering on the ice as quickly as possible. You'll have to do some area calculations to speed up the process. Before we get started, let's make some predictions about how to calculate area. Don't worry, you're not expected to know the answers yet. Just try your best.
okay, so are you familiar with area, Jalen? Yeah, okay, cool. All right, so I want you to read the first question. I'm gonna have you read about, well, each one is worth about 10 points. Now you get 10 points if you read the question and it's the solutions, and also tell me what you think the answer is. All right. So you can get 50 points if you read all of them, or or you can get 30 if you read about 3 of them. You understand what I mean? Because we can go through all of them or not, because there's 5 of these questions. All right, so you go ahead and read that, and then tell me what you think the answer might be.
Okay, the general unit of the measurement area is units. Square units, cubic units, and area units. I say the first one.
Okay. How about this one?
Which rectangle has the greater area? Rectangle A, rectangle B, rectangle A and B have the same area. Not enough information. I say the third one. Rectangle A and B have some area.
Okay.
The area formula for rectangle is area equals length times width. Area equals length plus width. Area equals length subtract area equals length divided by width. It's the first one. What's the area of this rectangle? 9 square meters, 6 square meters, 9 meters, 6 meters. It's 9 square meters. Smaller squares used to help measure are called square edges, unit squares, square meter, and square width. It's unit squares. Yeah.
All right, today you're going to remove covered sections of the rink to reveal the ice underneath. Before you can remove each section, you will need to know its area. Before we start uncovering the ice, let's talk about area a bit.
Imagine an arena full of people watching a basketball game. It's hard to believe that just a few hours later, in that very same wooden-floored arena, the puck could drop on a sheet of ice, isn't it? Changing the surface is a huge job, and it takes a whole team of people to do it quickly and correctly. Covering the ice properly is very important. To protect the ice and allow for other flooring to go on top of it, the rink is covered with hundreds of panels. If the ice weren't covered properly, it could be damaged, and it might not be ready in time for a team to skate on it. You'll need to work closely with the ice technician and the conversion crew to remove these panels. First, you're going to need to do some area calculations. Let's cover some of the basics, like what is area in the first place? Area is the amount of surface covered by a figure or shape. Take a look at these 2 sections of uncovered ice. Which one looks like it has more area? That's right, the one on the right. The more of a surface something covers, the bigger the area is. We could compare these 2 areas just by looking at them. But what about when it's harder to tell the difference in area just by looking at the shape? To make it easier to measure area, we divide the space inside into smaller squares, which we call unit squares. Why are they called unit squares? Because each side of the square is 1 unit long, so the area of each unit square is equal to 1 square unit. One technique to measure area is to simply count how many unit squares it would take to fill in the shape. Let's try an example. How many unit squares are in this section? By counting the unit squares, we know that the area of this section is 12 square units. Now you're ready to begin uncovering the ice. Throughout this activity, you will learn some shortcuts to determine the area of each section you uncover. These shortcuts will be the key to preparing the ice rink in time for the game.
Okay, I'm gonna help you out with this. So instructions: as you uncover each section of the ice rink, you will have to measure the area of that section. Let me show you how it works.
I'm already doing it.
Oh, you're already working on it, dude?
Yep.
Okay, all right. You know what? Show your screen. If that's the case, I can
Uh,
just let you finish it up.
yep.
So I thought this was a pretty easy exercise today. Let's see.
It is.
Okay, all right, all right. Let me stop sharing and show me how far you've gotten. Let me turn on the share feature for you. He said, I already got it done. He's starting on what he's working on it. Okay, let me see what you got.
This one. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, try your best. I see you got it going though. So what do you think the answer is there? Oh, okay, you know what you're doing. All right, you just gotta keep on working at it.
I remember this.
You remember this?
Yeah, from, well, I guess 8th grade.
Oh, you didn't know you'd be using it again in physics, eh?
Nope. Well, at least not in this class. Yes, I guess.
The class is called Physics with Algebra. You forgot that
Yeah.
part? Oh, okay.
Math, I guess.
The math, I guess. Okay, so look, I want you to real quick. I'm gonna share my screen. You can stop sharing. You did good. Let's see here. Share now. And I want you to read the objective, and then I'm going to have you work on it for about 10 minutes. Okay. And then I'm going to check and see how far you've made it. You got to show me what screen you're on by then. You should almost be done with it, to be honest with you. It's not a lot to do. Take your time and answer things carefully. You might get it right in the first rip. All right, so can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay.
Students will be able to utilize the ever 5 future goals math software to be able to analyze game 1 and uncover the ice of hockey scholar. Customer days conservation of energy.
You copping that word up. Try it again. Conservation. Break your words up.
Conservation
All
of
right.
energy.
All
Word
right.
of the day is sacred.
Oh, come on, bro. No. Secrete.
Secrete.
All right. Oof. All right. Did you read the objective already? I got confused.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So 10 minutes. Take your time. If you score low, you know you have to go back, but that's okay because you kind of got a feel of how to answer the stuff. So just do your best. Try to get this done. All right. Let me get the clock out here. We're going to see how far you made it in 10 minutes. He said, I'm already on. I'm like, my man. I was about to go through some of it with you, but you take initiative. It's good. Knock it out. We ain't got too much work to do over spring break. Let me mute myself. I gotta call some parents. The Concepcions. Lord. Robert Johnson. Okay, Jalen, how's it going?
Getting harder.
It's getting harder. Hey, man, oh Lord, I thought it'd be easy for you, like some video game or something.
Yeah,
What's
but
the name?
I'm on the last hard one. I mean,
Okay, just don't move anywhere yet. Can you read the screen for points, and then I want you to share your screen and see how far you made it.
you love the ever future goals maps I want to be able to analyze game one and uncover the eyes of hockey scholar.
Okay. Did you read the rest?
It's complementary conserv- conservation of
There you
energy.
go. All right.
The word of the day is
Break it down.
sacrit.
Almost. You're moving too fast. Secrete.
Sequit. Oh God.
Okay. You almost got it. All right. All right. So I'm gonna turn on the share feature and I want you to show me how far you've made it on uh what was it? Uncover the ice. Who was doing? So let me stop sharing because sometimes that prohibits you and you present. Oh, there you go. You already got your screen up.
Yeah.
Okay. You're getting quick with this. All right, pretty good. Now, what's giving you trouble? I don't understand.
It's a multiply the length by the width to find areas of the section. So I don't. It's just like the full.
Or what do you mean? Oh, you trying to calculate that, huh?
Yeah. I got 24,
Then that's probably the answer.
but it's not right.
Oh, hold on. All right, let me see here. I'm trying to zoom in. Okay, now let's see. Leave your screen running. Don't change your screen because I want to look at this in case students get caught up on this.
I mean, the second one was kind of, but this one is just terrible.
Okay,
This last
so I'm looking at it clearly now. It says, let me see here. Multiply the length by multiply the length by the width, right? So you got
Wow.
yeah. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you.
Okay. So what did you do? You said it seems like the bottom is what? How many across?
6.
No, I'm talking about across the bottom, but
I mean, that's 6. 5. I mean,
5, right? If we go
yeah.
up, that's going to be 6. So what is that going to be?
30.
30. Did 30 go wrong?
Okay.
You get the hang of it now?
Yeah.
Now what about this one?
Okay.
So look, you got your length, right? You know what your length is, right? That's your up and down. Your
Yeah.
width, because that's how you do area, is across. So what's this one going to be? You know your multiplication tables, eh?
Yeah.
45.
45. I mean, 42.
Let's see. Okay, I'm going to say somebody getting rusty. All right. Okay, so I'm going to let you work on it 10 minutes more, and we'll see if you can get a high enough score. We're going to check the scores. You got 20 more points for participation. This is what I need you to do in the other class, man. What's to be up with you? You take off in physics, but you start off slow in computer science. I don't know. Probably didn't wake up yet. I don't know, man. Okay, so keep working. You can just like leave your screen going, I guess. Can you do that? Because then I can just see when you're done. But I'm gonna put 10 minutes up here on the clock, and I gotta turn this off. There we go. Where's my stopwatch? Stopwatch. Here we go. You're doing good. So this was easy. I was like, this should be easy for them.
That's 30.
Make sure you got it right though. This thing is grading you, so take your time. Don't rush. All right, 10 more minutes. I'm gonna check back with you.
Well.
Great job uncovering the ice. We couldn't have done it without your help. You found a quick way to measure area by multiplying the length and width of the rectangle. In fact, this shortcut is the formula for the area of a rectangle. A formula is just a mathematical way to explain a relationship between values. In this case, you found the relationship between length, width, and area. Now, let's get back to the area data you collected. Below, you'll see the total area of each zone of the ice. When we add those three numbers together, we'll get the total area of the ice rink. Fantastic. You calculated the total area of the ring by adding up the area of each of them. Here's a picture of the whole ring. Use your new formula to find the area. If you need help, use a calculator. Great work. The actual measurements for a professional hockey rink are going to be a bit larger than what we were working with for this game. In a professional hockey rink, its width is 26 meters and its length is 61 meters. Notice also that the rink is not rectangular. It has curved edges, which means we have to take that into account when calculating its area. So far, we've measured the length and width of our rink in square units, but the units in our answer can be any distance unit. We could have used meters, feet, yards, centimeters, or any other measure of distance as long as we use the same unit for everything. Take a look at these two hockey rinks. They're both the same rink with the same area, but one has been measured in meters and the other has been measured in feet. So you can see their areas are measured as square meters and square feet. Using what you have learned, fill in this chart with the missing values. The length and width measurements are in meters, so the area unit will be in square meters. Now that you've learned what area is and how to calculate it in a couple different ways, let's look back at what you predicted before the game and some new questions.
Thanks again for all your hard work and helping us get the ice uncovered in time for the game. The ring.
Well, I'm done.
All right, let's take a look, dude.
Got a 90.
Got a 90? Oh, check you out. Let's check the scores. Hold on here now. Where does it show me your 90? Where does it show that at? It shows you where the scores are? Uh-oh, your screen's black. Oh, no. You started at the beginning. Oh, what was that? That's not. Just starting over, dude. What are you doing?
No, I ain't trying to do that.
I don't think you want to. So you
But
got
yeah,
a
I got a 90. It show you at the end.
Oh, okay. Let me check this. Let me check the score. So they gave you a car or a truck or something, huh?
Yeah. Thing that be on ice.
Oh boy. All right, give me a second. Read that objective for me because we're about almost. You might be leaving a little early because you've been working hard. Do you see my objective?
Yeah. Students be able to utilize the EVER5 future goals math software to be able to analyze game one, uncover the ice hockey scholar.
All right, let's see if you can do it.
Welcome to today is conservation of energy.
There you go. Come on, secrete. Don't make it hard.
Secrete.
Yeah, it's going. With practice, you get it. Yeah, like secretion, right? All right, so he got that conservation word down packed finally. All right, let's get out of here and look at what you did. I got to go back to scores. Just want to confirm you got your 90. Give me a minute. All right. I'm waiting for it to change back. There we go. I want to get this right here, dashboard. Okay, reports. Let's see. Jalen, you the man. All right, dude. So it's 10:55. Make sure you're in GGI. I want you to read this for GGI. Come to GGI. I worked hard today. I need you to do the same thing in computer science. Make sure you try to enjoy your spring break and you look into coming to class fully focused so you can finish strong. Come over here to Edsby real quick. And I'm going to grab this message and put it in the chat because that's all I want you to read. And I think you be in, I think I'd be seeing you in townhouse. So I can't say you should be there. I think you'd be coming. I gotta remember who all be there. Okay. Okay. So can you read what's in the chat there?
Yep. Towns and GGI's mentor for all students life skills class. Also, there are tons of awesome opportunities that students can take advantage of. Log today and gain some extra credit for participating. See you there.
Yeah, it's supposed to say Zen. Yeah, you have to read all that. Because Let's Code is on Wednesday and Thursday. Today's Thursday, but I don't know if she's doing it tonight or not. And that's the link for GGI in the chat. And lastly, Zen, of course, which means peace be unto you. So, Jalen, I want you to focus your energy on, once you log off, go, stretch your legs, get you a cup of water, take a quick break. But you have GGI at 11:15, so I want you to go to that. It's 5 to 10 points for that. We're trying to get all these points accumulated so you can get out of the class and we know who's going to pass or not. So work on that. Do you have any questions for me though? Like right now, because we're ahead of schedule.
Wait. So we going back to school soon?
That's the other thing. Did you do the survey? Oh goodness, I can find that
Well,
survey.
I got kicked out after. Yeah.
What do you mean you got kicked out? You just
Yeah.
huh?
I got kicked out.
Okay, did they send the 5 essential survey to you? In
That was a
SV?
new one. Was it?
That was it was a pretty long one, but did you
I think
did you
Miss
get
Hicks probably sent something like that.
okay? So you didn't get the one. You didn't get the one for returning back to school, right? Or did you get that?
Yeah, but the finish. I'm gonna need my what's her name to do it though.
What's her name?
The student code thingy. I mean like I can't I don't know what you call it.
Okay.
Student ID, yeah, that.
Your student ID number?
Yeah.
Yeah, you got to get in touch with Mr. Funes and Miss Vega, okay?
Okay.
I want you to get that and get it done because that's some extra points towards you guys. We need those finished. So I need you to, if you can, reach out to Miss Vega. Do you know how to do it on EDSB? Are you able to do it there?
Yeah.
Yeah, reach out to her, get your number, and if you need, ask them also for that that survey for the find out if we're coming to school or not. Now, to answer your question, they are planning it, but we won't know nothing as a teacher staff until tomorrow. And the reason I say that is because they're gonna, you guys are out of class tomorrow. I don't know if you knew that, but we got to be at work still, so they're gonna be telling us what their plan is for y'all to return to school. Now, I think, don't hold me to it, but I think it's supposed to be hybrid, and you have 2 days you come to school, 2 days you're online. All right, does that answer your question?
Hey, that's decent.
That's decent. Yeah, but you gotta to help it out. You gotta make sure. I think you and your parent gotta fill out that survey about how y'all feel about coming back to school. Okay, so
I already know my mom won't say.
Okay, well, just fill out the survey, and that'll let us know how many students we got coming back. Because I think at 50, we need about 20 more students to respond to it. So it's 70 students, and then we got most of the school body to come back. Okay.
Uh-huh.
All right, dude. So you know what you got to do. If I don't see you later or whatever in GGI, I hope I do. And at 11:15, have a great spring break, and I'll see you when we come back after spring break. But try to get some of this stuff done. Try to get a lot of stuff done. You're free to go though.